Hi there, friends. It's Leah with Asherah's Garden and Asherah's Box, and today is 2 in It Tuesday. Our focus today is Om. Om is a Sanskrit word that is said to be the sound of the universe. How cool is that? What does it look like? It looks like this. Here's another example. Boop. It kind of looks like a 30 with a half moon crescent on top. Like these carvings of just the word, we find it carved on different sound instruments like singing bowls or cymbals. It is a lovely reminder to come into attunement with the vibrational sound of the universe. It's also part of many different mantras like the Om Mani Padme Hum, which is my personal favorite and in my opinion the only one you need to know. We can also use it on its own, repeating it over and over as its own mantra. So we simply sing it out. Om. And we can repeat this in many different ways over and over to find that sense of inner peace and contentment where we are able to shed our suffering and embody the energy of compassion and loving kindness for everyone and everything. Friends, Om your way into happiness and love. This is Leah with Asherah's Garden and Asherah's Box. Please like, comment, and subscribe.